Hello guys, welcome to Studio of Architects. It's Architectship Nice. Hello guys, today we see parametric table, how to create parametric table in Revit for creating Revit table family. Go to the new, select the generic metric furniture family. Open for create the reference level for the table dimension. Just copy, add the dimension, equidistance, equidistance, lock lock all dimension. Go to the any division, create reference plane, go to the reference plane, just add dimensions, just consider the height at the parameter, just lock, select add parameter, H for the height, just consider height, and the tabletop is consider 15 mm, select lock, lock dimension, go to the for creating the tabletop, go to the extrusion, create just align and lock all the sides, let lock, click OK, go to the add dimension for the width and the depth, select add and for length of the table and select add parameter, width of the table, go to the elevation, align the top of the just lock, bottom and lock for creating next monitor for creating legs. We have to create the reference line. Just press copy, press it, add dimensions, that's 50 and 100 again. 100 100 100. Just launching all the dimensions for creating this. Go to the create, and that one 100 legs. Just copy, click OK, create and copy the reference plane. Here, copy reference one, edit the extrusion, just align and lock. Click OK, go to the any of the variation, then drag and copy, and align, bottom, copy, lock, align bottom, copy, lock. Now check the parameters are right or wrong. Okay. It's working. Now at the top of the table, let's say creating shape, select edges, click OK, create the profile. Okay. Okay. Now corner is ready, molding is ready. Now add the materials. For adding materials, you go to the select material, search for wood, create new material, go to the name, wood, and go to the appearance library, glass, wood. We are adding and door. Okay, create new parameter, table, view. Okay, okay, select add parameters. Okay. Now for adding the parameter of let's forget it. Let table text adding material library wood. Yes, please. Okay. Add parameter. Material. Create new table text. Okay. Our table is ready. Now for adding the table into the yeah, our file will need to wait. Now select okay. Go to the load into the project. Now you can see the table. These are the parameters we have created.